So we can see here on the left, I've got the instant buy now buttons. On the right, I've got the S3 video offers, which is actually an S3 bucket offer. And I'm going to show you how to use this button here instead of your default button here, which comes ready to go with S3 video offers. If you want to use your instant buy now buttons with your PayPal integrations, here's how you can do it. We've selected our button here. I'm going to go under publish options, and we're going to go to the third publishing option, which is the HTML embed code. And let's just go ahead first and grab our header code. In S3 video offers, I'm just going into the advanced tab here, and I'm going to paste my header code in there. You can put it in the footer as well. It's going to work, but let's just pop it in the header here and follow the steps. And then we're going to go ahead and disable our standard buy now button, and we'll go to the plus sign here, and we're going to choose add custom HTML. I just added this new feature to S3 video offers. So if you don't see custom HTML option there, just go ahead and update your plugin from the plugins page. And then here, instant buy now buttons, we're going to go ahead and click copy for the step 2, our HTML buy now button. Going ahead to paste that in. And there we're getting a preview of that buy now button. Let's take a look at the live preview here. And you can see now we've got our instant buy now button in our S3 video offer.